YouTube star and TikTok. I'm gonna give out a tutorial how to do your own laundry properly, how to fold it. So let's get to it. Alright, so my laundry folding board. I got it for a very long time. You shake your shirt nice and even. Make sure it's not wrinkled. You place your shirt like this. Now you fold this way, and you take this and fold like that and put it either on the couch or on your bed. Next one is this. So if you see something that is inside out, you have to make sure you take the sleeve. Take your hand in. See my hand? You take this, pull it out, shake it like this. Make sure it's not wrinkled. Then you fold it like this. You place your pajama pants like this. You fold it like that, and voila. Now the next one. Your pajama top, same thing. You shake it like that. Put it on your laundry folding board. Up, up, down. Boom. And another pajama shirt. You see the bun? You shake it like that. Make sure it's not wrinkled. Place it down. Up, up, down. And that's how you do your own laundry. Fold your laundry. I hope you like it. Please give out comments below. Make sure you subscribe on my channel, Meghan's Wonderful World. See you around, everyone.